All right, we're here today for my persuasive speech, and that's going to be on improperly disposed plastic debris and its impact on the loggerhead sea turtles. So here we go. All right, I'm here today to talk to you about the impacts of plastic debris on loggerhead sea turtles. I'm sure most of you have probably seen images in a book or on TV of our majestic loggerhead sea turtles. Have you ever seen an injured sea turtle from human impact? Have you ever seen a plastic bottle floating in a river? Our biggest impact right now is our plastic and marine debris pollution in our oceans. There are a few other impacts like coastal shoreline development and fishing gear, but today I'm here to talk to you about plastic pollution. Because of these impacts, the loggerhead sea turtle has been on the threatened species list since 1978. Did you know research shows that 71% of collected loggerhead specimens have ingested some form of marine debris? Plastics are lighter than water. Ingesting a large amount can cause the turtle to float near the surface, unable to dive for food, avoid predators, and cause them to be hit by passing shipping vessels. So much plastic is ending up in our oceans that there are entire islands floating around stuck in the vortex of the ocean currents, some larger than the state of Texas. It's becoming an environmental problem and has been named the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Feel free to Google this and learn more. Remember that plastic bottle you saw floating in the river? Now imagine that was far inland, up the Mississippi River in Minneapolis. It now travels into the Gulf of Mexico and into the Atlantic Ocean, where the ocean currents carry it past Iceland. That's a distance of over 6,000 miles. Did you know less than 1 in 1,000 hatchlings will ever reach adulthood, and even fewer than 1 in 10,000 will ever reach their maximum lifespan of 47 to 67 years old? One of the loggerhead turtle's biggest challenges is the female surviving long enough to reach her full adult reproductive stage between the ages of 17 and 33. Most recently, there have been several cities along the U.S. coastline now banning the use of plastic straws and plastic bags. There has already been a large movement in 2019, and this is one of the biggest changes I've seen towards lessening the impacts of plastic and marine debris in our oceans. Individually and collectively, if we put our efforts together, we can hopefully get the loggerhead sea turtle off the threatened species list. With sustainable efforts and changes, we can at least increase their survivability and lessen the negative impacts caused by plastic pollution. Sea life naturally assumes most things floating in the ocean are potential food sources. Plastic bags, which sea turtles commonly mistake for jellyfish, are ingested thinking it's food, causing intestinal blockage resulting in malnutrition and suffocation. Other consequences include physical damage, exposure to toxic pathogens, and even death. I'd like to take a moment to show you a video of a male turtle found in distress. This was filmed by marine biologist Christine Figner in 2015 and currently has over 35 million views on YouTube. This video may be too graphic for some to watch.
Yes. Oh my god, she has a freaking piece of plastic. Okay, didn't we have this discussion the other day of how useless freaking straws are? So another reason.
Want a video for?
I'm filming the whole time. By the way.
I mean, you want an explanation for people to why you don't need straws anymore?
Yes, that's what I exactly think about. So this is the reason why we do not need plastic straws. You have a little bit filled out already. No, it's a simple. Oh man! Show me please. I want to. Oh my god, it's just freaking.
That video was 8 minutes long. Those are just two clips, about 30 seconds. but that gives you an idea. Wow, if pulling a plastic straw out of an innocent sea turtle doesn't put into perspective how harmful improperly disposed plastics are to marine animals, I don't know what will. If you live along the beach or just visiting, remember to leave it like you found it. Better yet, make a difference and pick up any trash that you may find and dispose of it properly. Lastly, and most importantly, recycle your plastics and dispose of your trash properly. When possible, use reusable shopping bags. And must I say anything else about plastic straws? You never know. Your properly disposed plastic bottle may save the life of a 30-year-old sea turtle about to lay eggs for the first time and then go on to hatch and be enjoyed by the next generation. So be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution.